Welcome all. Myself, Dr. P. Karpusamy, Assistant Professor from Department of Mechatronics Engineering. This video is for the purpose of introducing the new open elective course, Thermal Management in Electronic Equipment. This course is offered because the rise of electronic devices over the last 2 decades has changed our way of life. The electronic product manufacturers are constantly competing with each other to produce the very best products. Often, the limiting factor of an electronic device performance is its ability to dissipate the heat. Therefore, the thermal management is essential in electronics as it improves the reliability and enhances the performance by removing heat generated by the devices. The objective of the course is to provide the insights of the importance of thermal management of electronic equipment and the range of different options available to solve the thermal issues, and also to develop the skills to understand the problems involved in the electronic equipment cooling. This course has 5 course outcomes with the cognitive level of understand. The first course outcome is explain the needs of thermal management considering the effect of thermal conditions on electronics failure. The second one, describe the 3 modes of heat transfer for understanding the thermal management of electronic equipment. Third, explain the chip packaging and printed circuit board in the view of heat transfer and cooling. Fourth, explain the different cooling technologies that improving the heat transfer efficiency in electronic equipment. The last one, describe the challenges and solutions in the thermal management of electronic equipment. About the course. The course title is Thermal Management in Electronic Equipment. The course category, Open Elective. It is an introductory level course. The LTP is 300, that is 3 hours per week, only theory part. It has 3 credits. The contact hour will be 45, maximum mark 100. The prerequisites for this course is nil. There are 5 units. Each unit contributes each COs. The first unit is a basic introduction which deals about the major causes of electronic failure, need for thermal control, reliability and temperature, effect of thermal conditions on part failure, levels of thermal resistance, thermal design consideration while designing the electronic equipment, finally life cycle cost. Unit 2 is modes of heat transfer. In this we are going to discuss about the theory part only. There are 3 modes in heat transfer: conduction, convection, radiation. In Unit 3, chip packaging and PCB is considered in terms of thermal management. In Unit 4, various cooling technologies that are employed in electronic thermal management system are to be discussed. In this, the major part is direct air cooling, liquid cooling, and thermal interface materials. In the final unit, the thermal management challenges and solutions that are involved in electronic equipment are to be discussed. This unit is a kind of case study practices. These are the overview of this open elective course. Thank you.